you want to avoid failure, if you want to guarantee success, this needs to be your mindset. Your mentality is to never, ever, ever quit. This is what it takes to be successful, right? You don't quit. You don't give up. Too many people like, I've been at it for a year. It's not working. Some of you are like, it's been a week and I'm not growing. It's kind of funny, right? It's been 72 hours. Like, dude, your products haven't even arrived yet. Your products haven't even arrived yet and you've already given up because you talked to a couple negative Nancys. The only way to guarantee success is for you to never ever quit. I've never met a network marketing failure. I've only met network marketing quitters. Now, sometimes you got to upgrade the vehicle. I get that. I'm not going to sit here and tell people they should never quit their company because I quit a company I was with for 7 years. I just didn't believe in it. I had nobody winning on my team after 7 years. 0 people making $1,000 a month. You're not going to guarantee success by just not quitting. It's network marketing, not work marketing, not lottery ticket marketing. And most of you suck at marketing. Most companies suck at teaching marketing. Marketing is a form of storytelling. Education is the highest form of sales. So if you want to get better at social media marketing, meaning generating leads, getting attention, I like what Gary Vaynerchuk talks about. He says, if you're in sales, because you need to learn to sell, of course, you have to learn to sell. How can you just be a marketer if you don't learn how to convert the leads? But he says, you can make a lot of money in sales, but if you become a world-class marketer, you can make tens of millions of dollars because you're learning how to get attention. Don't brand the company, brand you. But it's kind of like weird, right? Because you're kind of like, well, how am I going to get people to join my company or buy from me, which is buying my products from my company if they don't know about it? And it's kind of like counterintuitive because you think like, I got to be like, I'm with ABC company and this is one of our products. You should buy this product. The problem is you sound like an infomercial. So if you want to build influence, you want to build your brand. In fact, write this down if you're taking notes. Building a brand basically is building your reputation. So what do people think about when they think about you? And if they're thinking about losing weight and you offer a weight loss supplement, do they think about you? Are you at the top of their list if they're like, you know what? I'm ready to get in shape. I'm ready to start investing in myself, or I'm ready to start making money from home. Do they think about you? Because if they're not thinking about you, then you haven't done a good enough job in building up your reputation. They're not thinking about you if they're thinking about making more money, or they don't even see your content because your content is not compelling. You know, people say, oh, the algorithm and, I can't get attention on social media. Like I'm not getting attention as good as all these other people, but those other people probably, number one, they've been doing it longer. They've been marketing themselves, telling their story, connecting with people, putting out quality content. They probably sucked in the beginning, just like you suck right now, but they persevered through Suckville. So you got to embrace the suck. Yes, but here's the beauty. You can learn from those people. You can model their behavior, their strategies, the way they show up. You don't have to be just like them. Like you can't talk like me. You don't have the same story that I have, but you can model what I'm doing. You can go look at my Facebook and go, wow, look how John does his reels. Look how he does curiosity posts. Look at his engagement. You could watch my stories, watch my lives. You can learn from me. If you want to guarantee success, you want to guarantee that you don't quit, you need to evolve. Some of you might have to reinvent yourselves. Some of you might have to go back to just doing the things you did in the beginning when you were ignorance on fire. Now you're knowledge on ice. You're like, I recruited 100 people in the last 5 years and most of them quit. So what does that mean? Well, I don't want to go recruit another 100 that quit. I get that. But maybe you didn't do a great job of leading them. Maybe you didn't do a great job of mentoring them. Maybe you didn't do a good job. Maybe you weren't sold. You weren't that confident. And by the way, you could still go back and try to relaunch or reconnect with those 100 people, couldn't you? Because I'll tell you this, I have new people joining me all the time. Not just personally, but like on my new teams. We've got new people coming in all the time. This is why I stay excited. So you can't just not quit. You have to keep working, keep showing up. Like a lot of you worked so hard in the beginning, you weren't making a whole lot. Then you finally made a lot of money and you kind of like took your foot off the gas and like your business is going backwards and you're working less, which is it's like mind-boggling. Like if your business slows down, you should actually work more, not less. If you are enrolling new people, you're generating leads, you're putting out content, your inbox is exploding where you can't even keep up. You have so many people you're talking to. You'll have a more abundant mentality. You'll be more excited. So if you want to guarantee success, just don't stop doing the things you did in the beginning when you were ignorance on fire. What if all of you acted like you had to start from scratch? And you were like, you know what, whatever rank I'm at right now, I'm gonna go build some new teams and completely rebuild, get back to that rank as if you weren't at that rank right now. I think that's the one reason I've been so successful, is that I've continued to recruit. I'm still ATMing people. The only people that fail are the quitters. Some of us, we didn't quit, but we kind of put our business on pause. Maybe we were misaligned, like we weren't in the right opportunity, in the right vehicle. Maybe we lost our passion, our belief. Maybe we got a little burnt out. That's normal. That's called being human. It's okay to get tired. It's okay to pause, but don't give up. Remember why you got started. Action is the foundation to growth. Because when you take action and you start to get results, you build up your confidence, which is more motivating to keep taking action. You want to make millions? Mo money, mo problems. Bigger the problem, bigger the paycheck.